turn to our wildfire watch now. And tonight, Arizona crews are on the front lines of a wildfire emergency in the southwest.
Local hotshots are in New Mexico tonight, where several fires continue to grow. Meteorologist Jorge Torres is showing us what they're up against.
It's that time of year, folks.
Already, thousands of New Mexico acres burning from the south to the north.
Pretty tough conditions.
The toughest with the McBride fire, burning more than 5,000 acres since Tuesday in the southern New Mexico mountain community of Ruidoso, damaging 200 structures and killing 2 people. Since then, hundreds of Arizona wildland firefighters, including the 21-member Mesa Interagency Hotshot crew, holding the lines day by day.
Currently, we're helping put line in and chasing down, keep this thing from going where it wants to go.
In all, there are more than 110 Arizona State Forestry personnel and 2 hotshot crews from the Tonto National Forest fighting the McBride fire, along with the Big Hole fire south of Albuquerque and the 7,000-acre Hermit's Peak fire in northern New Mexico. There's no timetable for the crews to return home, especially as fire season starts ramping up.
If fires keep popping through New Mexico, Arizona, West Texas, it's entirely possible that we aren't home till, our last work day would be the 28th, so, sometime after that.
And with the latest wildfire outlook showing another active few months ahead, including here in Arizona, Mesa Hotshots and others will likely be on the lines for quite some time. I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres for ABC 15, Arizona.